Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the geometry and selecting the parts you intend to mesh. First, make sure each part has clean scale and orientation. This avoids skewed UVs and normals. Once selected, group them or use model union only if needed. Otherwise, keep parts separate for baking. You want consistent materials and smoothness to prevent shading seams. This first step sets the topology and saves time later, so take a moment to verify anchored, pivot, and rotation before you proceed. Now you convert geometry into an optimized mesh. If using Blender, export as FBX and retopologize to control polygon flow. This improves deformation and performance. If you stay in Studio, use Mesh Part Converter plugins to bake normals and merge nearby vertices. Once imported, set collision fidelity and use level of detail to reduce runtime cost. Make sure materials map correctly. Reassign or adjust UVs if textures stretch. These middle steps are about balance. Finish by placing the mesh part in your scene and testing runtime behavior. Check collisions, lighting response, and pivot for any animations. If seams or holes appear, reopen the source, repair faces, and re-export. Small topology fixes often solve rendering artifacts. Make sure normals are consistently oriented. Recalc if necessary. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip. Toggle backface culling and inspect normals in your editor. Misoriented normals cause invisible faces and lighting errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.